How to fix Forza Horizon 6, your graphics card is not supported error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the your graphics card is not supported compatibility warning when launching Forza Horizon 6 on PC. Just follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Roll back your graphics driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your dedicated graphics card and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. If the Rollback Driver button is available, click it to restore the previous stable driver version. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't fix the problem, continue with the next steps. Step 2. Install the recommended AMD driver, AMD users only. If you're using an AMD graphics card, install AMD software, Adrenalin Edition 2 3.10.1 from AMD's official website. Download the recommended driver version. Install it on your PC. Restart your computer after the installation. Step 3. Download the required D3D12 file. Open the provided GitHub repository. Navigate to the bin folder. Download the D3D12 file. Once downloaded, copy the file. Step 4. Paste the file into the game folder. Open your Forza Horizon 6 installation directory. Paste the downloaded D3D12 file into the game's main folder. If prompted, replace the existing file. Restart your PC. Step 5. Delete the game cache. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %localapdata% and press Enter. Find the Forza Horizon 6 folder and delete it. Next, open the temp folder. Locate the Forza temp scratch folder and delete it as well. Step 6. Launch the game. After deleting the cache folders, restart your PC one more time and launch Forza Horizon 6. The compatibility warning stating your graphics card is not supported should now be resolved. That's it. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.